Hey there! Ever noticed what happens to your fingers after soaking in a bath or swimming for a while? They get all pruny and wrinkly, don't they? So why in the world does this happen? And no, it's not because your skin is absorbing water like a sponge. The actual reason is way cooler than you might think. Stick around, because we're diving deep into the fascinating world of human biology and evolution to uncover the truth behind this everyday mystery. Let's unravel it. All right, first things first. What actually happens when your fingers wrinkle in water? Well, the top layer of your skin, called the epidermis, starts to form tiny ridges. But here's the key. This wrinkling isn't the result of water absorption. Instead, it's a process controlled by your body's nervous system. Wait a minute. Our nerves are behind this? You bet. Scientists discovered that when your fingers are exposed to water for a few minutes, the blood vessels in your skin constrict. This action pulls the skin downward and creates that wrinkling effect. This reaction is controlled by the autonomic nervous system, the same system that controls things like your heart rate and breathing. It's basically your body's autopilot. But why would evolution design this autopilot response for something as specific as wrinkly fingers? Here's where it gets absolutely wild. Researchers believe that this wrinkling is an evolutionary advantage. Think of it as nature's grip upgrade. Imagine our ancient ancestors gathering food by foraging in rivers or wet environments. Wrinkled skin likely gave them better grip on wet or slippery surfaces. That's right. Those pruny fingers are like natural tire treads, giving you extra traction when things are slick. In fact, scientists tested this theory in an experiment. Participants were asked to pick up wet or dry objects both with and without wrinkled fingers. The wrinkled fingers were consistently better at handling the wet objects. It's almost like having gloves specifically designed for water. Evolution truly thought of everything. But how does the autonomic nervous system trigger this response? When your fingers are submerged in water, the outer skin layer sends signals to your nerves. These nerves, in turn, make blood vessels contract, reducing the volume of your fingertips' skin and creating wrinkles. Intriguingly, this process only happens in areas abundant with nerve endings, like your fingers and toes. Your back or arms? No wrinkles there. Oh, and get this. The phenomenon only happens if your nervous system is functioning normally. In fact, doctors sometimes use finger wrinkling tests to assess nerve damage. If someone's fingers don't wrinkle after being submerged, it might indicate an issue with their nervous system. Isn't it fascinating how something so mundane can act as a mini medical checkup? But let's take this to another level. Did you know that wrinkled fingers may also have inspired science and engineering? Some researchers are looking into biomimicry, where designs imitate natural phenomena to create materials and tools with enhanced grip properties. Who would have thought your bath time fingers could influence technology? Moreover, this unique reaction sparks curiosity because it sets humans apart from many other mammals. For example, dogs and cats don't get wrinkly paws when wet. The presence of finger wrinkling in humans specifically points to its unique importance in human development and our interaction with our environment. It's like nature chose us for the VIP section of survival adaptations. But let's end on a mind-blowing note. Wrinkling doesn't last forever. Did you ever notice that your fingers go back to normal once they're dry? That's your autonomic nervous system, once again, dialing things back to their regular state. It's like having a switchable mode designed just for special circumstances. So there you have it. What seems like a quirky, insignificant feature actually has roots in survival, biology, and even cutting-edge technology. The next time you're relaxing in the bath or swimming pool and notice those wrinkly fingers, know that you're seeing evolution and biology at their finest. Isn't the human body absolutely fascinating? Oh, and one last thing before you go. Remember this fun fact the next time someone brings up useless trivia at a party. You'll sound like a genius explaining how biology and evolution have gifted us with wrinkly fingers not just for fun but for survival. So the next time you hold your grip on a wet dish or a mug after washing it, give a little nod to your ancient ancestors. Evolution's got your back. Or should I say, your fingers. Thanks for diving into this rabbit hole with me. If you enjoyed this episode of Why Facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let us know in the comments what other why questions you want answers to. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world around you. Bye.